god, that was sick! This Mustang is here every single day. And only now did I realize. Oh, they put a new wing on it. They put a new wing. Only now did I realize that person probably works here. That's the scat pack. It's gonna be a scat. It's gonna be a scat. Oh, I told you, it's not a scat.
Retard alert! Retard alert!
Whoa. I like the Porsche. It's nice. What do you do with this stuff? Let's see, 5. Listen to the tops. I'd actually get a C5, blacked out C5 to red like this one. Look at the car though, that's insane. After hearing the car's engine on, I waited for a couple of minutes until the driver came back. We had a friendly little chat and he reluctantly let me take videos and even revved up the car's engine for me. 听到汽车引擎启动后，我等了几分钟，直到司机回来，我们友好的聊了一会儿。他不情愿的让我拍视频，甚至为我加速汽车引擎。All right, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Damn. Oh my god, that was sick. And that is how I witnessed my first ever burnout. Actually, that's my second burnout. Scratch that. My second ever burnout. That was sick. That's like the second burnout I've ever seen someone do. Second. And it's from a C5 Corvette right after they rev up for me. Really nice guy though. That was actually insane. I think that's the tan Hellcat. Oh my god. Is it? No, it's gray. After seeing the image, I actually realized that there was some text on the top of the windshield saying damn OMG. So I looked it up on Google and there's actually this guy, I think his name is like Lighting Trends or something. I'll have it on text up here. And he does body kits. That was one of the body kits. And all this video that's showing right now, that's completely his, not mine by the way. Absolutely insane body kits. If one of my viewers is actually a Hellcat owner, you should probably check it out. That's insane. Beautiful, beautiful kit. I absolutely love it. This looks like 350Z back there. Or whatever it's called. It's probably not even a 350. He's back there now. I didn't even notice that until now. He's right back there. That's a nice Beamer. Z3. I thought it was a Z4. Bro, that was like, I didn't even ask him to rev up. What the f was the point of that? Again, literally, like, I'm not even looking at them. Porsche. That gets extra German damn, no American damn. No, how would I do that? Oh my god, he's still pulling it. Let me see. Damn! I'm not sure, but I think I saw the GT3 RS go into the plaza. It's just back there, I can't really see. So, I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit and most likely miss like a group of 53 Aventadors flying down here and just barely get the video all the way from back there. Just not get the video. Just I'm gonna get a horrible version of it just so that like the world can slap me in the face for moving. I'm gonna try to see if the GT3 RS is here. We'll do it as quick as I can and then try to come back. Yeah, this is a horrible spot because all the cars get congested. Come here, and because of how it's structured, it's really fast and they get congested back there where I used to go. and where we're gonna continue to go, back there. Also, why the is there an adult toy store right here? It's the guy in the WRX. Damn, bro. You just like weaved through like 3 people. Oh my god, this man has a death wish. This man has a death wish. Oh. Funny. Oh, there goes a Mustang over here. There's like that's cool, I guess. Bro, I'm not even kidding. In one night, I can hear a solid 50 Mustang. Whoa! Whoa! No. Damn, that's a nice car. Nice Mustang. Direction, and that is not cap. Oh my god, I sound 50 years old. I sound 50 years old. That is not cap, guys. But seriously though, why did he not even look at me and just start revving up on me? Maybe it's because he's a Mustang owner. That's really low. Come on. Bro, this man literally looks me dead in the eyes and doesn't do that. You're gonna spend like $2,000 on a body kit, but you can't even rev it up for a kid. Come on, people. This bird, bro. It's actually yeah, that's all I hear every 2 seconds now. If that thing does it one more time, I will find it. What the? Yo, rev it! That kid was at least 20. Actually, no, he didn't not rev it. He didn't not rev it. He did something. Oh my god, these things will not shut up. So that's going to be all for this video. I got some stuff planned that's going to come up literally today as I'm recording this. 2/7, something absolutely insane happened. I was car spotting for a while and 3 hours straight. Had nothing good. I ended off on the day with a really high note. So I'm really excited to get that video. I'll try to be uploading that as quickly as possible, and I will see you guys in the next video.